Assalamualaikum and welcome to my channel Crochet and Craft House. In this video I will show you how you can make evil eye of bracelet in very easy way. For this bracelet we need three colors of dark blue yarn and white yarn. Now we will start our work with dark blue yarn. We will make 6 single crochet into a magic ring. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. We will close it at very first stitch by slip stitch, and then we will cut the yarn here. Now we are going to work with light blue yarn. First of all we will make chain 2 and half double crochet into the same stitch. Then we will make 2 double crochet into next stitch, 1 and 2, and 2 double crochet into next stitch, and 2 half double crochet into next stitch, now we have 2 stitches left. We will make 2 single crochet into next stitch and 2 double crochet into the last stitch. Now we will close it at chain 2 of previous chain 2, at the top of chain 2 at the previous chain 2, and here we will cut the yarn. Now we are going to work here where we have made 2 half double crochet. Again we will make chain 2 and 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. We will make 1 single crochet, and into the next stitch 2 double crochet, 1 single crochet into next stitch, and 2 single crochet into next stitch, into next stitch, make 2 half double crochet, one single crochet into next stitch, 2 single crochet into the next stitch, one single crochet into next stitch, 2 single crochet into next stitch, and one single crochet into last stitch. Here again we will make chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now we are going to make our last round. In the center of previous half double crochet we will make chain 2 and one half double crochet, again we will make 2 double crochet, two single crochet. Here we have make 2 half double crochet, and into next 2 stitches we are making 2 single crochet. Into the next stitch we will make 2 double crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 then 2, and into the next 2 stitches we will make 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet into the next stitch. One single crochet into the next stitch and 2 half double crochet into next stitch, two single crochet into next 2 stitches, two single crochet into next stitch and 1 single crochet into next 2 stitches, 2 single crochet into next stitch, 1 single crochet into next stitch and 2 single crochet into next stitch, and we will close it with a slip stitch here. And cut the yarn. Tie the knots and cut the extra loops. Now we are going to make strap around the eye. After making one slip stitch, we will insert a bead now we will make our chain. Here you will make chain 30 and close. I hope you will like this simple and beautiful idea. If you like my video, please keep subscribing and keep supporting. See you in next video. Take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.